So I'm trying to fix an issue with the GTR. I think it's quite a common thing. I've seen it on the forum. So I just fixed the other side. So the other side was actually leaned back quite a bit. This one is actually pretty straight, close to upright. But I'm going to fix it anyway. So and I wanted to show how I did it, how to do it. So. Yeah, all you basically need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a long flathead is handy, a long needle nose plier is also handy, and some WD-40 and some rags and a plastic bag, and then I'm going to show you how I got the two of them working, because both of them are stuck solid and what the problem actually is. These are old cars. This is a 1996, so it's what, 27 years old, and these just seized up. There's one here. One at the front, and you've got one on this handle here, and then there's one on the back. We've got this one, so depending on the position that it's in, there's a little clip in there. So I don't want to scratch my seat, but I'm just going to basically push on that. Yeah. Oh, I need a smaller screwdriver. You may be able to get a needle nose if you have the right size in there, but you're just trying to, it's a split pin. Yeah, I just pushed it out. Not sure if you're going to be able to see much, but just depending on where it is, you're not going to be able to twist the knob. You may or may not be able to get back at it. The other side, I didn't know this was on here, so I just pulled on it a bit more firmly, but it does definitely come off easier. So yeah, it's just one of these clips. So I was just pushing on that with the screwdriver. Yeah. So, and then there's one more. You can see there's one more Phillips head in here. Yeah. So that's what I see. Wow, this side is a lot more bunged up. So. I'm going to start by cleaning this a little bit. The seat is definitely, it's got a lot more kilometers on it. Wow, this is nasty. So this side was pretty reasonable, I would say. I'll put this down. So this is the other thing, you just want to put down some plastic, because you're going to have to put a bit of lubrication through there. Yeah, I mean, there's probably better products to clean this. Ways of cleaning this. I'm going to grab the vacuum. There's going to be oil going places, so make sure you have your carpet covered and let that sit for a little bit. Just put a bit in there. You can dust the rest of it too a little bit. You don't need a ton. From my experience. So I'm going to take this clip out here and use the handle to pop it back on. That's what I mean. Just kind of work it. This side at least. The other side is quite easy to adjust. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, now that's what I was. You'll just feel there's just a point which you eventually get there. Yeah, that's like going nice, and the handle's a little greasy, so yeah, there we go. So yeah, you just gotta work it. It feels a bit wrong, but that's very satisfying now to have that done on both sides. So yeah, it reinstalled in. There's a little bit of a trick to it. I'm just cleaning the back of the cover a little bit. Going on there too crazy. I think I can show you the tricky part first. I mean, what am I rushing? You're not getting wet. My seat is. It'll pass. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in. This is not passing. This is hail. Just line this up, have the sides on either side, and then you'll get your needle nose and slot this in when it's part the way through or wherever. Let's get it on. It's definitely easier with the tool, and then you just slip it on, and then that's clipped on there. So yeah, seats now really nice, and it's a little notchy, but it moves, so that's the main thing. Those are neither of them could move. Trying the other day when we went to the Drift Games bash, and it sucked. We're old now, so yeah. Anyway, that's that. I'm gonna clean up. Got some other random bits and pieces to do.